How to see other viewers on Facebook Story in 2024. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. You will be led to the Facebook menu. Go ahead and scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy option and further tap on the settings option. In the settings page, scroll down again and navigate to the audience and visibility option. Under the Audience and Visibility tab, go ahead and tap on the Stories option. You will see a bunch of options now. Here, as you can see, my story privacy is set to public. So, if you set your story privacy settings to public too, then when you scroll down on your story to view the viewers, then you will see a separate tab that says Others, which also denotes that these are the viewers that you are not friends with and will appear separately. However, if you set your story privacy to friends or custom, then you will not see the other viewer tab as your story will be bounded to only your chosen friends or to all your Facebook friends, and other people will never be able to view your story. So this is how you can see other viewers on Facebook Story. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.